At first glance, this place looks more like a futuristic factory than a traditional farm.
But inside this massive complex, thousands of animals are raised using some of the most advanced farming technologies ever created. Every movement inside this farm is guided by automation, data, and intelligent systems.
This is not just farming. It is high-tech animal production on an industrial scale.
Here, machines help female farmers feed and care for thousands of animals every single day.
Advanced sensors track exactly how much food each group of animals consumes. Even the air inside this building is carefully controlled by intelligent climate systems. In a nearby control center, computers analyze thousands of data points every second.
Artificial intelligence now plays a key role in managing modern farms like this one.
This is a glimpse inside one of the most high-tech animal farming plants on Earth. From the outside, the scale of this farming complex becomes even more impressive.
This is not just a farm. It is an enormous agricultural production system.
Every day, tons of carefully formulated feed are delivered through automated distribution systems.
These silos store massive quantities of feed that keep the entire farm running.
Before reaching the animals, the feed is carefully processed and balanced to ensure optimal nutrition.
Once prepared, the feed travels through an extensive network that connects every building.
Even the transportation of materials inside the farm is optimized through automation.
Clean water is just as important as feed, and this farm maintains a highly controlled water system.
Maintaining the perfect environment is essential for keeping animals healthy and productive.
Together, these systems form one of the most advanced animal farming operations in the world.
Behind the scenes, this control center acts as the brain of the entire operation.
Thousands of sensors across the farm constantly send data to this central system.
From this interface, operators can monitor every building in real time.
Artificial intelligence helps detect unusual behavior before problems appear.
These systems ensure that animals remain comfortable and healthy at all times. Advanced imaging technology can even detect early signs of illness.
With just a few commands, the environment inside massive barns can be precisely controlled.
Powerful computer systems process enormous amounts of data every minute.
Nearly every system inside this farm is connected and monitored.
This is where technology meets agriculture on an extraordinary scale. One of the most important systems in this high-tech farm is the automated feeding network. Instead of workers carrying feed manually, robotic feeders now deliver food across the entire building.
Each group of animals receives the exact nutrition they need.
In just a few minutes, thousands of animals can be fed at once.
Before reaching the animals, the feed must be carefully prepared.
Computers ensure that every batch of feed is perfectly balanced.
Once mixed, the feed travels through a network of pipes across the entire farm.
This automated transport system replaces hours of manual labor.
Multiple robots work together to keep the entire system running efficiently. In modern farms like this, technology ensures that every animal receives consistent care.
Feeding is only one part of the system. Access to clean water is equally important.
These automated drinkers provide fresh water whenever the animals need it.
A centralized water network supplies clean water to every corner of the facility. Before reaching the animals, the water is filtered and treated to ensure purity.
Sensors continuously monitor the quality of the water supply.
Maintaining hygiene is another essential part of modern animal farming.
Automated cleaning systems help maintain a safe and sanitary environment.
Lighting and environmental conditions are carefully controlled to reduce stress for the animals.
Smart cameras now help farmers observe the health and behavior of livestock. In this high-tech farm, every system works together to support animal health and productivity.
Controlling the environment inside the building is essential for modern animal farming.
Powerful ventilation systems keep fresh air circulating day and night. Airflow is carefully balanced to ensure every area receives proper ventilation. Hundreds of sensors monitor the climate inside the barns.
All environmental conditions are constantly monitored by the central system. When temperatures rise, automated cooling systems activate to keep the environment stable. This process helps lower temperatures without wasting large amounts of energy.
The goal is to create the most comfortable conditions possible for the animals.
All these systems work together to regulate the farm's internal climate. Technology now allows farmers to maintain a perfect environment regardless of the weather outside.
In modern farms like this, robots assist farmers by constantly monitoring the animals.
These mobile robots can detect unusual activity or signs of stress among the animals.
Advanced sensors collect valuable data from every section of the building. AI-powered cameras continuously observe the animals throughout the day.
If an animal behaves differently, the system can immediately alert farm staff.
Some farms even use drones to inspect large buildings more efficiently. From above, it becomes clear how enormous this operation truly is. Technology helps farmers identify potential health problems early.
Every piece of information helps improve animal welfare and productivity.
This farm represents a new era where agriculture and technology work side by side. These areas are carefully designed to ensure the best conditions for both mothers and their young. Temperature and lighting are adjusted to support the early development of newborn animals.
Newborn animals are especially sensitive, so special heating systems help keep them warm.
Technology also assists farm staff in tracking the health of every newborn.
Nutrition during the early stages of life is carefully managed.
Intelligent monitoring systems help detect any problems early.
Data collected here helps farmers improve breeding success and animal care.
This carefully controlled environment ensures the next generation grows strong and healthy.
From birth to maturity, every stage of life inside this farm is supported by technology.
Managing waste is another major challenge in large-scale animal farming.
Inside the barns, specially designed floors allow waste to be collected efficiently. From there, the waste is transported to a treatment center for further processing. Mechanical systems separate solid waste from liquid components. The solid portion can be reused as organic fertilizer.
Some of the waste is converted into renewable energy through biogas production.
The gas produced during this process can power parts of the farm.
This allows the farm to recycle waste while generating clean energy.
Even waste management here is designed with efficiency and sustainability in mind.
Every part of the system works together to reduce environmental impact.
As the animals reach maturity, the next stage of the process begins.
This system allows an African American female farm staff member to manage large numbers of animals safely and efficiently.
Advanced sensors help determine which animals are ready for the next step. Data collected during this process helps ensure consistent quality.
Carefully designed pathways help reduce stress during movement.
Before transport, the animals are kept in controlled holding areas. From here, the animals are carefully loaded for transport.
Modern equipment ensures safe and efficient loading.
Each shipment is carefully tracked and documented.
After months of care and management, the animals finally leave the farm.
After leaving the farm, the animals are transported to a nearby processing plant. This plant is designed to handle large volumes with strict safety and hygiene standards.
Inside, advanced systems help process products quickly and efficiently.
Automation plays a major role in maintaining speed and consistency. Precision and hygiene are essential in modern food production.
Robotics now assist in sorting and handling large quantities of products. Every item is carefully packaged and labeled for distribution. Robots help prepare the products for shipment. Cold storage keeps the products fresh until they are ready to be delivered. From here, the final products will travel to markets around the world. From this facility, products begin their journey to markets across the region. But everything begins back at the farm, where the entire system operates.
Together,
These facilities form a complete modern agricultural production system. Technology now plays a critical role in shaping the future of agriculture. Every part of the farm is connected through data and automation.
Behind the scenes, thousands of systems work continuously to maintain stability.
Farms like this represent a new generation of large-scale food production.
As the day comes to an end, the systems inside the farm continue operating without pause. A powerful reminder that modern agriculture is rapidly evolving through innovation and technology.